New on Brokerage is Hemma. She's a 57-foot 0-inch cruiser stern narrowboat. She was built in 2021 by the first owner on a shell from Aintree. The forward and aft canopies are new. We actually sold this boat back in October 2024 and sadly the current owner is ill, hence the sale. Propulsion is by a Beta 43 horsepower diesel engine and there is a bow thruster tube fitted should you wish to install a bow thruster. We'll take a look on board. So stepping on board from the aft cruiser deck into the saloon, she is reverse layout. On the starboard side is your electrical cupboard and your control panels. There is a 100-watt solar panel on the roof. A Victron 3 kilowatt inverter charger. And on the port side is a full height storage cupboard. Fit out throughout is laminate with some tongue and groove MDF on the headlining. The sofa in the saloon does make a double, 6 foot by 4 foot. Full-size fridge in the galley and gas cooking. Plenty of cupboards and storage. And midships is this dinette, and there is a table that sits on Desmo legs. And the dinette does make up a double as well, 6 foot by 4 foot 5. Central heating throughout is by a compact diesel boiler to the radiators. And there's also a reflex diesel stove with a back boiler. Hot water is heated by the engine, boiler and immersion. And into the forward bedroom, there's a permanent single and a makeup single in here. And out into the well deck. So we'll just take a walk back through. There's storage either side at the front here. So Hemma is with us at North Kilworth Marina. All the details and the full specification can be found on our website. You can download a brochure. If you visit www.abnb.co.uk.